Hi everyone, this is the 163rd video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have an interesting problem from geometry. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, if ABCD is a rectangle, as you see in the diagram, right, it's a rectangle there, then what is the value of alpha plus beta in terms of theta? So you have to find the value of alpha plus beta in terms of theta. Now, how are you going to do it? Well, there are a couple different ways we can do it. The first method could be something like this. Let's name these points. Suppose this is point E right here. Let me use a blue color here. So that's point E and this is F. Let's assume that this is F and that is E, right? So now if you think about the angle ADE, so we can write it as angle ADE, which is actually this angle right here. That would be 90 degree minus alpha, because it is a rectangle, so each of the main angles are 90 degree. So then if this is 90 degree right here, this is 90 degree, the angle A, that is 90 degree, then this other angle would be 90 degree minus alpha. So I can write it as 90 degree minus alpha. Similarly, if you think about angle CDF, that will be 90 degree minus beta. And now if we think about those three angles right there, the angle CDF, angle FDE and angle ADE, if we think about the sum of those three angles, that is also a 90 degree angle, because that's one of the main angles of the rectangle, right? The angle D, it now split into three angles there. So the sum of those three little angles would also be 90 degree. So then we can say that angle ADE plus angle EDF plus angle CDF or FDC, this is equal to the angle D of the main rectangle, and that is essentially equal to 90 degree. Now let's substitute the values here. So from here we can say, well, then what is angle ADE? Well, angle ADE is actually 90 degree minus alpha, plus angle EDF. Angle EDF is actually theta, plus angle CDF, that is actually 90 degree minus beta, and all of this is equal to 90 degree. And from here if we simplify a little bit, you can see that this 90 degree and this 90 degree, they would cancel each other, and then what we are left with? We are left with negative alpha plus theta plus 90 degree and negative beta, that is equal to 0. So if we bring alpha and beta to the right hand side, so we can say that theta plus 90 degree is equal to alpha plus beta, and we can clearly see the sum. Well, from here if you want to write it like this, then alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree plus theta, and that is our answer. The second method would be to use the quadrilateral, which is BFDE. If you think about that small little quadrilateral there, from there also you should be able to determine the value of alpha plus beta. I can give a clue, you can try it yourself, but let me give a couple of clues here. So in the second method I'm using a different color here. Let me use a different color, maybe I can use the green color here. So in the second method we can say that angle BED plus angle BFD plus angle B itself, I'm just writing it as B, plus angle theta, this is the sum of the four angles of the quadrilateral, and that would be 360 degree. And from here if you think about angle BED, that is actually 180 degree minus alpha. And similarly angle BFD, that is also 180 degree minus beta. So if we substitute the values there, then we can say that this is actually 180 degree minus alpha plus 180 degree minus beta plus 90 degree, angle B obviously 90 degree because it's one of the angles of the rectangle, plus theta is equal to 360 degree. And if you think about it, this positive 180 degree, another positive 180 degree, that's a total of 360 degree, that will cancel this 360 degree on this side. And then you can clearly see that we are now left with negative alpha and negative beta plus 90 degree plus theta. So if we bring negative alpha and negative beta to the right hand side, then we are going to have 90 degree plus theta is equal to alpha plus beta, and there also you can clearly see our answer, which is actually right here. Now if you look at our answer options, we have 90 degree plus theta under option C. So option C would be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.